Good morning, everyone. It's PT, and it is time to rise and shine as we complete this week. See a lot of you in the Lord's house tomorrow. Fear. Fear will sink us, but faith will sustain us. That's right. Fear will sink us, but faith will sustain us. That's a principle of the Christian life. But even when we falter, here's the third piece. He will save us. Fear will sink us. Faith will sustain us. But even when we falter, he will save us. That's what he does. Peter started sinking. He was in peril of drowning. He cried out, "Lord, save me." And what did Jesus do? Say, you blew it. You're on your own now. Nah, he saved him. He did it. And even when we falter, it's just a reminder. I want you to be aware of it. I try to remember it as well, that even when we falter, he is there. He's not going to abandon you. He wants you to abound. He wants you to abound. But even when we falter, he will not abandon. Even when we falter, he will not abandon. Again, let's drive this home. I will never leave you nor forsake you, Jesus said. Lo, I am with you always, even unto the end. The Lord is there for us even when we falter, even when we have less than the strength that we should have, or in some cases, we've just been unable to sustain our good intention. Lord, thank you for your love for us. Thank you that you invite us to trust you even beyond our own frailty. Yes, you do. And we love you for it. In Jesus' name.